Employment tribunal lawyers versus legal advisors. Which one is better for employee disputes? Most managers get this wrong at thinking all workplace disputes can be handled internally, but the surprising truth is that employment tribunal lawyers and legal advisors serve distinct roles that can impact the outcome of disputes significantly. Employment tribunal lawyers specialize in representing employees or employers in formal legal proceedings. For example, if an employee files a claim for unfair dismissal or discrimination, a tribunal lawyer can prepare your case, gather evidence, negotiate settlements, and represent you in court. They are essential when disputes escalate to litigation, and legal interpretation is critical. Legal advisors, in contrast, focus on proactive and internal management of employment issues. They help design policies, mediate conflicts, conduct internal investigations, and ensure compliance with labor laws. For instance, if a workplace harassment claim arises, a legal advisor can guide management through internal procedures, aim for resolution, and reduce the likelihood of formal claims. So, which is better? Employment tribunal lawyers are indispensable when disputes reach the legal stage and require court representation. Legal advisors are best for preventing disputes, managing internal conflicts, and maintaining compliance. Many companies use both, where advisors handle day-to-day issues and early conflicts, while tribunal lawyers are retained for serious claims or litigation. The key takeaway is that employee disputes are best managed through a combination of prevention and legal readiness. Having legal support for internal guidance and tribunal lawyers for legal escalation ensures that your organization remains compliant, minimizes risk, and protects both the company and its employees. The smartest approach balances proactive management with expert legal representation when necessary.